How blank is this tower? Long, tall. Well, we say something is long when it's flat like this, but it's tall when it's standing like this. Look at this ruler. It's flat, so we say a long ruler. A snake, this snake is long because it's flat. But the house is tall because it's standing. The boy is tall, standing. In the question here, we have a tower. The tower is standing. And if the thing is standing, we use tall. So how tall is the tower? The plane will blank off on time. Get, take, go. Remember this, guys. The plane here takes off, and the plane here lands. Again, take off means leave the ground and fly to the air, and land means come down. And since we have off here, so remember take off, so the answer is take. The plane will take off on time. You do this one. This road is very blank. Long, tall. Again, long is for flat things and tall is for standing things. The word here is road. Here is the road. Is it flat or standing? And what's the answer? Leave me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.